Hey there, welcome to this ClickFunnels review. Does my business need a funnel? Well, the short answer is abso-freaking-lutely. My name is Jed Albring, and welcome to this ClickFunnels review. So, does my business need a funnel? Well, first of all, if you don't know what a funnel is, well, you got a physical funnel like this, right? But a sales funnel online is still the same thing, right? We're bringing in customers on top, and we're taking them on this journey to know, like, and trust us, right? So at the top level, we're giving away something for free, like a lead magnet. You've probably all downloaded an ebook, gotten a coupon, you've given your email in exchange for information. So that's what we're doing at the top level of the funnel. And as we go down that funnel, we're taking them on a journey. We're providing them with value, information, and we're slowly warming that up. And we're providing them with, again, with maybe our products or services, information, and maybe they come in on a low end, they buy something at a low cost, but then eventually as they stay with us longer, then we start to sell them on higher end stuff. So it's like taking them right up a value ladder. You have your lead magnet, which is a free item, and at the top of the ladder you have your more expensive items. So that was kind of a crash course in sales funnels. But what's so great about that is every single business needs a funnel, because right now you probably have a typical website, right? With all your buttons and bells and whistles, your Instagram, your Facebook, your this, like us, like us, like us, like us. But the problem is with that, and it's no offense to your website, but a website is like a glorified brochure, right? It's like having somebody stand out in the street and going, hey, how you doing? Check us out. Hey, how you doing? Check us out. Hey, how you doing? Check us out. The problem is nobody knows what to do next, right? Wow, this place looks really great. Maybe I'll check them out sometime. The difference with ClickFunnels and having a sales funnel is we are going to take people through that journey. They're not going to have any other choice but to do what we tell them to do, right? And so we do that with curiosity, and with captivating headlines and getting them through this journey. So again, you could be a lawyer, a real estate agent, massage therapist, gym, yoga teacher, coach, own a coffee shop. It doesn't matter. There is something to sell, there is service, there is value for you to provide, and you can do that with a funnel. So what's really cool is here, let me take you, where'd I go? Okay, so I'll take a step back here, guys, so you can see what I just did there. I realize I'm going a little quick. When you first log into the ClickFunnels dashboard, it's really straightforward, guys. ClickFunnels, right? Funnels, these are the funnels I already have. These are my contacts, my sales. The funnel marketplace where you can actually buy funnels people make for you, but 99% of the time you're just going to build your own funnel. There's really no need to pay someone to build it for you, especially when you're getting started. And on the right hand side, it's going to tell you your revenue, if you're selling anything through a funnel, your purchases, right, opt-ins, and page views. So click on the ClickFunnels button. You go to build a funnel. Now, chances are when you're first starting out in your business, you're probably just collecting leads. Maybe you're not selling anything. Even though you might sell something, maybe you're not ready to sell something online. So the great way to get started is, everybody needs to collect emails. Everybody needs to get more leads. So I'm just doing the leads test here. And boom, I have a funnel built and ready to go. That was it, guys. Now watch this. Now this is a pre-populated template here. Okay, but if I wanted to, now I could use this and just change the colors and so forth. But if I wanted to change this out, right, I could do a new step. Let's just call this opt-in. And this is really cool here. Watch and look at all these templates it gives me. And this is not rocket science, people. So look at this. Here's all the opt-ins, thank yous. If I'm doing a sale, if I'm doing an upsell, product launch, webinar, membership site, teaching a class, it doesn't matter. So it gives me all these pre-populated templates that are proven to work. All right. Tons, hundreds, actually. You can also go to the marketplace. You can buy them. There's plenty of free ones there as well. So what I would do is, I'm going to cancel this one out. Okay. Here's my opt-in. So the cool thing about this and why it's so important for any business is that they have no other option here, right, but to give us their name, email, and information. And if I were doing a funnel like this, I would take out this here because I don't want them to click on any of that stuff. All I want them to do is take action here. And I might even take this out altogether and maybe move my logo to the bottom. That's it, okay? So look at all these buttons. 1, 2, 3 different calls of action. Take a look at your website right now. Where's your call to action? Is it visible? Is it clear? Is it there? Are you giving your audience clear direction on what to do next? Most people not. They've got a pretty image, they've got their logos, they got the about us, the training, but there's nothing really taking action. And at the very bottom of your website, you probably have a little thing that says, sign up for our newsletter. Okay. But look at this. This is the very first thing people see. So I'm telling them exactly what I want them to do, right? Enter email. And of course I might change that to get, right, your free stuff, whatever that might be. And of course I can click on that button. Watch this. Boom. There's my font. Maybe I'm giving away an ebook or something like that. This could be just some fine print, limited time offer, something along those lines. Okay. And up here, I'd go to integrations. I'd select my email provider. I check the action. I check the list I want. Boom. They're in there, right? Save. Preview. I've got a funnel built, right? Name. That email goes directly to my inbox. They go to a thank you page, and this is where I would change this text out. And I'd put in, thank you so much for visiting Bob's Cafe. Here's your free gift. You can download it or we email it to you. So that was a quick view, but you can see how easy that is to do, how simple this process is, and how absolutely powerful it is. So does your business need a sales funnel? Absolutely. Now, I know that was a quick run through, so I have a detailed training for you guys below. It's absolutely free. You can grab my ClickFunnels training as well as my Facebook ads training to show you how to put all these pieces together. So please like, comment, share. I hope you enjoyed it, and get your free ClickFunnels trial for 14 days and your training below. Thanks.